Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to the course of Introduction to Cellular Network. From today to onward, we will start discussion on 2G network. Here is the agenda of today's discussion. First, we will see the introduction of 2G network. Then, after that, we will discuss the GSM introduction, which is the most widely used technology of 2G network. Then, after that, we will start discussion what was the motive behind the invention of GSM. Then we will discuss some positive point of GSM. After that, we will start discussion on GSM milestone, which is our last topic of today's topic. So let's start. The rule behind the invention of new technology that it is developed on the shortcoming of previous technology. So speech quality, system capacity, coverage area, and the security are the main issue that are addressed in 2G network. As we know, 1G is analog system, therefore 2G is the first system that use digital transmission. Here are the list of the following 2G network. Digital amps used in US, personal digital communication PDC used in Japan, interim standard 94, also known as IS 94 in Korea and US. You can see the above technologies are developed only for a specific country or region. The most widely used technology 2G is GSM, which is accepted standard in over the entire world. This is one of the major reasons to discuss GSM as the 2G technology in this course. So let's start the GSM with introduction. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. As already discussed, that it is a standard 2G network which was developed by the European Telecommunication Standard Institute, shortly known as ETSI. It was first deployed in Finland in July 1991, and in Pakistan, Mobilink was the first cellular operator who operated GSM in Pakistan. After that, Yufun Warid Telenor Zone also launched a GSM as a GSM operator. Presently, GSM has 1 billion mobile phone subscribers in mobile in more than 210 countries. GSM make use of narrowband time division multiple access for transmitting signal, whereas in 1G frequency division multiple access FDMA as a access method used to transmit signal. GSM also provides the basic to advanced voice and data services, including roaming feature. No question is arise, what is roaming? रोमिंग में आप लोग अपना मोबाइल किसी भी दूसरे GSM ऑपरेटर के साथ यूज़ कर सकते हैं. For example, you are working in Dubai and visit Pakistan. You don't need to buy a new SIM in Pakistan. You can use the SIM that you were using in Dubai to connect with Pakistan. Once you switch on your mobile phone in Pakistan, it is automatically registered with any of the local GSM operator. However, data charges and call charges can be varied. Why GSM? Know what is the motive behind the invention of GSM. As we already discussed that 1G, there were analog technologies like we have advanced mobile phone AIMS in North America, Total Access Communication System in UK, Nordic Mobile Telephone NMT in Northern Europe and North Atlantic. So what was the issue in 1G? Issue is that each country developed their own standard, due to which system is only work within the boundary of each country. Another problem in 1G that system capacity is not grown in cost efficient manner as the number of users increase, so it become difficult to maintain speech quality in 1G. Solution of above problem is GSM technology. Here are some of the positives of GSM. GSM has improved spectrum efficiency. Spectrum efficiency is referred to the information rate that can be transmitted over a given bandwidth in a specific communication system. It is measured how efficiently a limited frequency spectrum is utilized. One of the positives of GSM is the providence of international roaming. As we already discussed, what is roaming? Mobiles at end brand like base station in GSM having less cost as compared to 1G. GSM provide high quality speech. It is also compatible with ISDN and other telephone service. Here are some of the milestones that GSM has covered year to year. The story of GSM has started from 1982, where the discussion of GSM was held in 1982 to 1985. During this, analog to digital conversion process was discussed and different field tests are made. Then in 1986, the decision was taken that from now onward we will use digital signal, and then in 1987, it was also decided that we will use TDMA instead of FDMA as an access method. The reason of use TDMA was because of large number of users use a single channel efficiently. Then in 1988, a MOU was signed, and then after that, implementation of GSM was started. In 1989, validation of GSM was done. In 1990, pre-operation of the system was performed, and then in 1991, it is commercially started. In 1992, GSM had started as a 2G network, but coverage area limited to large cities and their airports. Then in 1993, coverage area extended to main road of the major cities. Then in 1995, coverage spread to the rural area. In 1996, there was 133 network present across the 81 countries. In 1997, 200 GSM network were operated across 109 countries, and number of subscribers extend to 44 million. In 1999, due to invention of web, number of users extend from 260 million, and the coverage area is extended into 130 countries. The GPRS started in 2000, and in May 2001, subscribers extend to 550 million. Now a recent study showed that number of subscribers are increased from 1 billion as GSM coverage is almost in 210 countries. That's it for the today topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.